I'm playing Beverly Hills Cop, the video game. From 1990, looks like. And pretty sure it came out for a bunch of different systems. Play all. It's got the music. And the great sounds of the Commodore 64. Very nice. Nice start. Wow. Well, how's your day going? Oh, oh, there we go. We got a car. Yep. Faster. Ooh. Great. Okay, well, you know, I guess it's Beverly Hills Cop. Who knows? Are there any video games that are just loading screens and that's the whole game? Besides this? There we go. Something new. Hard luck. Wow. If I did that badly, try the practice option before going on with the game. Shots fired. At me and Axel. I'm leaving these in so it's authentic, you know? This is what it's really like to play the game. Alright, let's take their advice first. Okay, maybe I'll skip. Oh, that loading screen was the longest yet. Okay, I got this. Oop. I'm going to drive slow. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. Great. Am I doing good? Oh no, stop. I can shoot? What am I shooting at? Well. What? I don't get why these old games just, they can't give you anything, like... Tell me something. Sure. Okay, let's try second. Oh yeah. Oh no. No. Kick. 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 What? Is that not the kick button? I'm very confused. Okay. It is the kick button. Why not kick when I say kick? Oh, sometimes he kicks, sometimes he jumps. Makes sense. Block. Punch. Cool. Great. Well, third it is. Oh my god. The noise. The droning. Okay, I can go forward. Am I supposed to... Whoa, well, I had to see if those were... if I could pick those up or not. Answer is no. I can make a sick beat out of this. Okay, I think that was the fourth one or the third one. Oh, it's the final scene. Shoot. Nice, okay. Hey, that's not a bad death animation. This is the first one I feel like I am doing something. Only 58 guards left? Did I kill that guy? I mean, this actually kind of feels like the movie, and like I am able to play it. The other stuff is just total junk. This is the era where like diagonal shooting was a big deal. I was like, look at this showcase. Okay, this is crazy. 52 left. Last one. Ooh. First person. Oh, jeez. The fuck? So bad. How do I shoot? Breakfast room. Boy, oh boy. Right. Sorry. My bad. Get out. What is happening? Is this the same room? Why are video games so bad? Back then? Ugh. I mean, I could play Pong and Pac-Man and stuff, but anything else, oh. If it's not like a puzzler or platformer, just don't even bother. Okay. Oh. I saved her. One babe saved. I'm so confused with the layout here. Cupboard. Boy. Man could sure get lost out here. This is by far the easiest part of the game, though. Plant room. That's where all the plants go. Usually people don't have a plant room, right? It's just like they have plants in their room. Drawing room. That's where you go to draw. No? Ooh. Woof. Well, you know, you get the idea, right? This is a game. This franchise has been milked. This is just one of the many failed attempts. Okay. Yep, I'm lost. Well, that's the Beverly Hills Cop game for Commodore 64. Thanks for watching. Listen to the show. available wherever you get your podcasts.